Good afternoon! Good afternoon mga palangga! Good afternoon, mister!
Hello, Mrs.
Actually, it's still morning. It's 10 to 12. But it's almost afternoon. So, magla-lunch tayo and magno-noodles ulit ako. Yun lang kasi yung madaling kainin. Ito. Yan. Oh! Sorry. Yes!
Wonder noodles.
Noodles. So, kakaligo ko lang at basa pa yung buhok ko. Papasensyahan nyo na. May taong naglalakad. Somebody's walking, sweetheart. Do you recognize him?
Big woman.
No.
With glasses.
A man.
A man.
It's a lad, actually. It's a young lad, I think. Isn't it? So with our noodles, meron akong bread doon. While we're waiting for our noodles, we need to decide what we're having tonight. What would you like tonight, sweetheart? Would you like a steak? Because we have tomatoes here.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, we'll have a steak. Ito, oh. Twin pack, rib-eye steak. I got this in Aldi, so hopefully he will like it. Mostly talaga, yung gusto ni Mr. Sirloin yung gusto niya. Pero yung gusto ko, yung steak na walang masyadong fat. Yan na, luto na. Napapansin ko, pag nasa bahay lang, ang palagi kong iniisip, ano yung makakain ko, ano yung kakainin ko. Ganon din ba kayo? Yes, mister? Noodles.
Did you eat them a lot in the Philippines?
Huh?
Did you eat them a lot? I can tell.
So in UK, honey, do you eat a lot of noodles like this, instant noodles?
What?
In UK, do you eat a lot of instant noodles?
Oh, some people do. A lot of people do. A lot of people do them pot
In the
noodles.
Philippines.
Pot noodles and stuff. It's easy, it's simple, isn't it?
Yeah, in the
I
Philippines.
never ate them. I ate pot noodles a little bit, but I just...
Mostly pancit canton. It's so good. The thing is, you need to consider, like us in the Philippines, we live in a province. So we need to buy something that would last for a week. Because mama only go to the town once a week, you see. So we need to buy a lot of food that lasts longer.
Big steak, darling.
Sa Pilipinas, yung mama ko pag nag-grocery siya, yung mga binibili talaga namin, mga dilata, yung mga dried fish, mga ganito, pancit canton, sardinas.
Smelly fish.
I really miss eating a dried fish.
Try that when you try it.
Dried fish with lauoy. Sa Bisaya, lauoy. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung Tagalog sa lauoy. Yes. Why do you give me that look?
You're curly.
I am curly. This is my natural hair.
Not
Curly.
Certainly isn't natural eyebrows though.
It is.
No, no. They've been painted.
There's nothing wrong with a hand.
I don't like painted eyebrows.
Well, I'm
I like-
sorry. You need
I
to
like-
respect my decision.
I like natural. It looks so sexy. Just, you know,
There's nothing wrong in enhancing your eyebrows. It's not like so aggressive looking.
look like your moustache is going above your eyes.
I'm growing my eyebrows back. That's why it's so bushy.
I could show you a photo of bushy eyebrows.
Lalabas tayo, magdidilig tayo sa ating greenhouse. Kasi sabi ni Mister, kasi nilinisan ko na yung greenhouse natin. So, mas mainam na diligan para kung may tutubo man. Kasi nung nilinis ko, napakita ko sa inyo na parang may mga tumubo. Meron naman talagang tumubo, pero hindi ako sure kung ano yon, kamatis ba or are they a weed. So, sabi ni Mr. diligan mo na lang. Ito oh. Yan. So, ito yung gagamitin natin, yung watering can natin kasi wala tayong host. Hi! Hi, Phoebe! Ha? Oh, sweetheart. Alright, so, kailangan natin magdilig. Si Mr. sobrang busy ni Mr. May ginagawa siya sa workshop niya. Tapos na tayo. Right, punta tayo sa workshop. Kasi naririnig ko si Mr. sobrang busy niya. Ano ba yung ginagawa niya? I see. He's doing something on the Range Rover. Alis na tayo kasi sobrang maalikabok. So, Mr. is keeping busy himself kasi yung business namin, it is temporarily closed mga love. So, walang trailer. Yun kasi yung tugo ng gobyerno dito na lockdown. So, yung lockdown mga loves, naapektuhan talaga yung pangkabuhayan namin, which is yung trailer ni Jan. Yun talaga yung bread and butter namin kasi sa trabaho ko, hindi talaga kasya yung panggastos dito sa bahay. So, yung ginagawa ni Jan, kasi marami na siyang spare time ngayon, pinagtutuunan na lang niya yung Range Rover. So, wala. So, walang trabaho si Mr. dahil sa lockdown. So, hindi pa namin alam kung kailan matatapos itong lockdown dito sa UK. Palagi naman nilang nire-review everyday. So, palagi kaming nakatuon sa news, mostly si Mr. So, yun lang. So, mahirap kasi marami yung apektahan. Lalo na sa mga tao na self-employed. Kahapon, napanood ko sa television na sobrang daming mga naapektahan din na plant growers. Kasi sabi nila wala nang namimili sa kanila. So, kawawa, diba? Kawawa. Kasi marami talagang nagsasuffer. And let's just keep on praying for everyone's safety, for the healing. God is good. God is good and He is with us. We just need to be patient talaga sa pananalig natin sa Kanya. Yun lang yung masasabi ko. So, we are strong together with God. Kailangan natin itong kunin. It's not dry. There's still damp. Oh, this one is dry. steak. Then, meron ako ditong sprout. Mag-pipis din tayo and kamatis. Madali ang pila. Kala ko si Mr. tapos na sa kanyang ginagawa. So, nakita ko siya, paikot-ikot siya sa kennel, dog kennel. Hindi naman paikot-ikot. Pero, back and forth siya ba? Akala ko tapos na si Mr. Hindi pa pala. Kaya lalabas na lang ako. Are you finished?
Yep.
Okay. I'll get some sticks.
I'll get them all, sure. Hang on.
You sure?
Yeah, let me just put these in. Put that in the kitchen
Okay.
down
Because if you are tired,
there.
I'll get the woods for you.
Probably just a bit more tired, that's all.
Okay. Mag-workout muna ako ha. I-shake ko muna yung fries bago ako mag-workout. Workout talaga, no? Parang parang char. Exercise lang ng konti. Kasi walang ginagawa sa bahay. Sobrang quiet talaga. Kung quiet noon, mas ngayon sobrang quiet. So, we need to find something, what do you call that? Something beneficial. Beneficial. Nanonood ng TV si Mr. Nanonood ng news. So, ito na yung tea namin. Ito siya. Yan. Yan kay Mr. Yung akin. Honey! It's ready! I want a gravy. Sabi niya, ayaw niya ng gravy. Pero ako, mag-gravy ako. Gusto ko kasi, pag nag-i-stick ako, merong pepper sauce. Pero wala tayong pepper sauce. Gusto ko na may, ano ba, sabaw.
Oh, blimey.
Yan.
Salt.
Kain.
Vinegar.
It's about tea time na dito mga palangga. Kasi time here is 10 to 4 in the afternoon. Tea time is a meal time because someone asked what is tea time. I'm confused. We refer the tea time as our meal time. I don't know why, but since I got here, that's one thing I've learned, that they have breakfast, dinner, and tea time. Their dinner is their lunch. You can say breakfast, lunch, and dinner, but some people, like older people, like very traditional older people, like I am working in a care home, and you mentioned about having a dinner. When you say dinner time, to them is a lunch time. But when you say dinner time, a tea time, it make them confused kasi na para silang nasanay ba na yung dinner nila tawagin nilang tea. So, yun. Kakaligo ko lang kasi kanina naglinis kami ng pond and natalsikan ko ng putik. So, kailangan ko mag-shower. Kaya, nagpalit ako and yung buho ko, tinali ko na lang kasi ano pa siya? Basa pa siya. Mamaya ko na lang i-blow dry. And tomorrow is work day na naman tayo tomorrow. 8 hours lang ako tomorrow. Maghahanap ako ng mga seeds, mga palangga online. Yung mga gulay, yung hahanapin ko. Gulay sa Pinas pa. Na itry kong itanim dito. Gusto ko magtanim. Gusto ko mag-try magtanim ng ampalaya dito kasi namimiss ko na talaga yung ampalaya. Ampalaya plus itlog. Sus nako, ang sarap niyan. Namimiss ko na talaga yung pagkain Pinoy. I'm just chopping this into little pieces. At least hindi onion yung hinihiwa ko. Ayaw ko maghiwa ng onion kasi it makes my eyes so watery. Pinaiiyak ako ng onion. Lahat naman siguro tayo, di ba? Pag naghihiwa ng onion. I am satisfied with this now. So, ngayon naman, kailangan natin hugasan yung ating prawns. And, kailangan natin mapaboil ng water para sa ating pasta. Lagay kayo dyan. Yan. Ito yung prawns. So, hugasan na yung prawns. So, kailangan ko lang siyang i-check to make sure na walang naiwan na vein sa kanya. Kasi, last time, may mga naiwan talaga na vein. Kinuna naman siya ng vein, pero may mga naiiwan pa talaga. And babalatan ko na rin yung aking prawns kasi si Mr. ayaw niya na may shell. So last time na nagluto ako ng prawns, I need to peel it for him. Oh, before we forgot mga loves, kailangan nating magpapaboil ng water. Dahil lang, tatapusin ko muna to. And then, kailangan natin ng water. Para sa ating pasta. Pinapainit ko na yung tubig kasi para mas madali ba. Turn that on. And kailangan natin ng pasta. We also need a pot. Ayan. So, lalagyan ko lang siya ng kaunting asin. And kaunting mantika. Wala kasi akong olive oil. Ay. Yan. Para hindi dumikit yung ating pasta. So, ngayon, ilalagay na natin to. Damihan ko na yung pagluto ng pasta kasi meron akong trabaho tomorrow. So, magbabaon ako. Hihinaan ko lang yung apoy ng ating pasta kasi hindi pa ako tapos sa paglilinis ng ating prawns. And kailangan ko pang i-prepare yung garlic bread natin. Tapos na ako sa paglilinis ng prawns. So, kukunin lang natin yung ating garlic bread kasi nandito pa siya sa loob. Hindi ako mag-garlic bread kasi meron ng prawns and pasta. So, I find it too much. Okay na siguro itong dalawang garlic bread dito. Okay na yan para kay Mr. Kailangan natin ng parmesan. Tama na yan. I-mix ko na lang yung parmesan dito. Yan. Yan yung mozzarella natin. Yan. Kailangan ko lang magdagdag ng water sa ating pasta. And after this, magsisimula na tayo magluto. Hindi naman magluto. Mag-prepare sa ating sauce. Sa cheese sauce natin for the pasta. Yan. So, ilalagay na natin yung butter. Melt the butter. Yan. Kailangan nyo lang hinaan yung apoy while we're melting the butter kasi kung malakas yung apoy nyo, may tendency na masusunog yung butter natin. Kukuha lang tayo ng flour. Thin flour. Yan. Then, iluluto natin yung flour sa butter. Yan. Madaming flour yung ilalagay natin. Madami-dami kasi maraming pasta yung ilagay natin dito. So, yan na. Luto na yung flour natin. We don't need this anymore. Kukuha lang tayo ng milk sa fridge. So, kailangan natin ng milk. So, yung paglagay ng milk, mga loves, paunti-unti lang. Yan. And haluin. Then, well, we are making our sauce. Kailangan din natin i-turn on yung ating ito for the, what do you call that? For the prawn. So, multitasking tayo ngayon. Pasensya nyo na, ang hirap mag-vlog pag isang kamay lang yung ginagamit. Kailangan kasi silang i-timing kasi ayaw naman natin ma-overcook yung ating prawns at ayaw din natin ma-overcook yung ating garlic bread at yung pasta. So, kailangan i-timing. Unti-unti nang nami-melt yung butter. So, ilalagay ko na yung garlic. And ground black pepper sa ating cheese sauce. Ang bango ng amoy ng garlic. Ito yung cheese sauce natin. Hindi ko pa nalagay yung cheese. A bit of salt. And a bit of black pepper. Yan. So, hintayin ko lang yung garlic natin na maluto. Yung iba nag-brown na While waiting for that, kailangan natin ilagay yung ating garlic bread. Sa pinaka-lower na shelf, diyan lang natin ilalagay. Kailangan natin siyang kunin sa heat. So, tingnan nyo siya. Almost nag-boiled over. So, ilalagay ko na yung natin, yung prawns. Yan na. Yung prawns natin, madali lang itong maluto kasi wala na siyang shell. Pagpasensyahan nyo na mga palangga ha, kasi marami tayong ginagawa, so palipat-lipat na lang tayo. So, ilalagay ko na yung cheese sa ating cheese sauce. Make sure na hinaan nyo yung apoy. Yan. I-mix nyo lang siya until na yung mga cheese ma-melt siya. Lalagyan natin ng kaunting salt. And kaunting lemon juice. Wala akong fresh lemon, so ito na lang. Lalagyan natin ng parsley. Yan. And kaunting black pepper. So, kailangan ko lang siyang tikman mga loves. Kung okay na ba yung lasa. Hihinaan ko lang yung apoy. Kaunting salt lang. we need to try again. Okay na yan. Masarap na. And then, dito naman tayo sa cheese sauce natin. Tikman ko lang ha, kung okay na ba yung lasa. Kikita nyo ba ako? Kulang siya ng asin. Kaunting asin. Try natin ulit. Mag-a-add lang ako ng kaunting mustard, mga loves. Tikman natin. Masarap na. I-drain na natin yung pasta. And then, yung pasta, i-mix natin siya dito. Yung sauce. Yung sauce natin, medyo runny siya kasi kung nakita nyo kanina, muntik siyang nag-boiled over. So, yun siguro yung dahilan kung bakit medyo runny siya. Then, yung prawns natin, transfer natin dito. Way. And yung garlic bread ni Mr. Tamang-tama lang yung garlic bread.
Just a look at that.
Do you want more pasta? Hang on, I need to show them.
So how you do the British or garlic bread?
I'm not having a garlic bread,
So what's your
sweetheart.
prawns?
So, ito yung finished product.
Why are we not on a separate plate?
Yan. Yan yung pasta natin. Yan. Let's eat. Let's eat. Can you move that, please? Thank you. I think we need a paper towel. Yan. So, kain.
Oh.
Enjoy!
Exploring hidden caves or surfing waves into the night on the beaches of Hawaii. Drinks in Ibiza, anywhere you wanna go, baby, you just.
Kailangan kong isort yung laundry natin. Kasi tomorrow may pasok ako. So, kung hindi ko ngayon to aasikasuhin, maaabutan din to ng mga ilang days dito. So, anyway mga palangga, dahil mapaplansya lang naman ako ng mga ano natin, mga damit. So, i-end ko na lang yung vlog dito. So, mag-ingat po tayo lahat and I'll see you in my next vlog. So, maraming salamat talaga sa walang sawang suporta. I'll see you tomorrow. Mwah, mwah. Bye!